Now let's talk about how to build a free website for our affiliate marketing business. So we want to create a one-page website where we talk about the products that we are affiliating. The first step is to join an affiliate platform. It can be basically anyone. It can be Amazon, it can be ClickBank, it can be Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Impact.com. It doesn't really matter, but you need to join platforms. So after joining the platforms, you want to collect the materials that they've provided for you. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this one. This is a power station or a power generator or something like that by this company. So I'm just going to use these ones to build this website. So these are the images, and it's always better to use the company's images. So they've taken professionally good pictures, and first you need to download some of these pictures. So I'm just going to download some of these ones, and I'm going to show you how to build this website for free, and then we are going to talk about how to push some kind of traffic to this website. So you want to get as much images as possible because this is a website, and websites, especially e-commerce website, they need a lot of images. All right, so I'm going to download as much as possible, and then we can proceed. So I think these ones are fine now, so I can download them. The other thing is to get your tracking link, which is basically your referral link or your affiliate link. So I'm going to copy it. This is my referral or my affiliate link for this product. So you want to go to this website called Google Sites, all right? Or you go to sites.google.com and you want to create the website. So if you come here, you are going to see different kind of website that you can create, simple website that you can create, but want to create from blank. So once you come here, you just need to log in with your Gmail account, and you come here, you click on the blank website. You can use the template if you want, but we are going to keep it very, very simple. Or in fact, we are going to be using a template. So you go back and want to select a simple template, so it will be easy for us as beginners to do this. So we are going to use this restaurant. So you click on the restaurant template and give it some time to load, and we can start working on it and put our own affiliate products and pictures on it. So this is what the website is going to basically look like. As you can see, it has been customized for you. However, you can do what you want. You can basically change everything here and turn it to whatever you want. And that's exactly what we are going to do. So the header, we are just going to name it we are just going to call this, let's say 15 or 5 top portable power stations for let's say camping in this case. So you can go this way, which is 5 top portable power stations for camping. This is going to be the header of our website. So you can come here, you can come to the bottom here, you can write maybe a subheading. You can say best prices, best power supply, and environmentally friendly. or you can just say environmental friendly. All right, so we now have what we want to do there, and you can come here. You can basically just delete this if you don't need it, because we basically don't need that, but you can restore it if you wanted. You can edit it if you wanted. You can move it if you wanted. So we don't really need that. So we'll come here. What we want to do is, you come here, you want to add a content block. So you can add a picture and then a text, or you can add 2 pictures, or you can add 4 pictures right here. You can add a picture, a text, a picture, and then a text. You can add other things here. So we'll have pictures that we want to include. So let's use the first one or the second one. I'd want to come to add our picture. So you click on this and you want to go to upload. So we want to select this one and then want to open it. You come here, you click on upload again. You want to select another one. Let's say this one. This is assuming that they are basically the same thing. I think they are. Doesn't look like they are. So you can write some things about this power station, like the specification and all of that. I don't have that now, but you can come to the bottom here and then you can scroll down and then you can click on add a button and you can say check them out, or try them, or see full specification. I think see full specification is going to, or see more details. It's going to be more, you can say see more details on the official site. And then this is basically where you put your affiliate link. So remember why we copied our affiliate link is because of this. So you can insert it, and this is going to be the button. You can hold this button and then you can drag it to fit into the entire page. You can edit anything you want here. So you can edit it here. You can click on edit button. You can edit it further if you wanted. You can come here, you can come to style. You can select the style that you want. You can change this button to an image if you want, but we are good this way. You can basically leave it this way if you wanted. You can select the button style. If you want it to be outlined instead of being filled with that color, you can make it outlined. But I prefer the field, so prefer that. You can also change the color again, the type of color. You can change it to this one, anyone that you want. So again, you come here, you can add another 2 images, and we basically do not need this one, so we can delete that section. Again, you come here, you click on upload. You want to go and get even more pictures. This is why we downloaded multiple pictures. So you can select the picture that you want. So this picture doesn't really align well. So you want to get squared pictures, or pictures that are even in number, in shape and size. So you can come here, you can select another one. You can see upload, and then you want to get the picture. So I'm just going to use these ones again. So we have better shape. So I'm going to change this picture. So you can delete the group, or you can click on the picture and then you can crop it or crop it. You can insert link on the picture, you can duplicate it, you can remove it, and then you can see more editing option. You can come here and then you can replace the image by uploading another image. So I'm just going to use this one again. So the reason why I'm using the same picture is just so that they are aligned properly. So you can get images that already align properly. And again, you can come here, put the specification of these power stations, like the names and the models. You are going to find them from the asset type here. As you can see, this one is the AC300 and this is the EB3A. This is the eb7 something something. So you can copy the name. You can copy the name right here, and you can put it here. So let's call it, can copy and paste it here. And I'm just going to use the same names for this so I can be fast. So you put it here. You can write other things if you want. If you don't want, you can basically leave them that way. So I have to undo that. And we basically have a simple website that we can use. The other things, any section you don't need, you can delete, and you basically add as much things as you need right on this this page. So I'm going to delete some of the places that we do not need, like we don't need a footer on this page, so you can say hide footer. You can say hide footer, and we have a very simple website. You can come here, change the website name, and then call it power stations or portable power stations. All right, so you can create as much as possible, and you can disable these pages right here. These are supposed to be pages. So if you wanted to remove all these buttons here because they are going to distract people, you can come here to pages and you can find all these buttons. You can come here, you can duplicate it, or you can come here on the menu, you can delete it, because the reason why I cannot delete the home is because it's the home page right here. So you can come here, you can delete this one too, you can delete the contact us page, and then we have only the home page. You can click on that. You can basically, you cannot delete it, but as you can see, it's gone because it's the home page. That's the only page we have, and we must have a particular page. So the next things you need to do, you can come here, you can add any other thing you want. You can add a button if you wanted, the same method that we used. You can write check out the flash sales. Check out the flash sales. And then again, you can put your link. You can come back here, come to the tracking link, copy it again, come here, paste it again, and you can insert it. Again, you can drag this to the end to make it big. You can move it anywhere you want, but we are good here. So we basically have a free website that we can use to promote our affiliate product. Again, all you need to do is just fill it up with more product as you want. You can add forms, you can add sheets, you can add YouTube videos, if any. So if you come here, you can, if you come to the assets to this, depending on your own affiliate platform, you can click on video to see if you have any videos. We don't have any videos, but you can go to their website and get a video. So you can go to your affiliate link and see if you can find any product video, or you can even take videos from YouTube and embed them here. All right, you can basically click on YouTube and you can embed videos by just adding YouTube links here, and the videos will come up. So we don't really want to add that, but you get the points. You can add carousel images so that it will be a carousel. You can add text here, you can add single images, you can do an embed here. So you can click on embed code, and let's say we want to embed this code here. So if I go back here, if I want to embed this image as a code, so let me get one of the images. I'm just going to use this one. So if I click on this and then I come here where it says add code, I can copy that code, this code right here. I can copy it, come back here, and then I'm going to paste it right here. So if I paste it there, I can say next, and it's going to become an embedded picture or an embedded code with our affiliate link. So give it some time to come up, and then you can insert it and proceed to the next phase. So this is what it's going to look like. You can basically, you can edit it if you want, but you can just say insert, and it's going to become, this is going to be an image on the site, but it contains your affiliate link. So you give it some time again to load, and you can decide where this should go. You can drag it and drop it anywhere you want. So you can again make it to fill up the entire page, and you can drag it to wherever you want. So once this is done, you can basically come here, hit publish, and you can name your website. This is going to be the link to your website. Of course, remember, you can add a custom domain to this site to make it your own. So I'm just going to call it portable power stations. And then, as you can see, this name has been taken, so I'm just going to add something else just so it's not taken. So you click on publish. This becomes your own affiliate website. So if you click on view, you are going to see what we just created and how it links back to our own affiliate links. So this is how it's going to show, and once anybody clicks on this, it's going to take them directly to our affiliate link. So this is how you can use the Google free website to build an affiliate website. I hope this video has been helpful. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. My name is 𝐻𝐿. But before we go, you can see that it brings us directly to our affiliate links, and people can basically make purchases, and then we can earn affiliate commission. So watch the next video you see at the top here to teach you how to get approval to impact.com. See ya.